Hi there, my name is Vandal Gorbani, Product Manager for TireConnect. We're really excited to introduce you to our new Enhanced Procurement feature that will allow you to look up tires, place orders, and replenish inventory using the TireConnect admin portal. Our goal at TireConnect is to present you with solutions that will streamline the quoting, selling, and procurement process for you and your staff. The best part of this is the procurement is now available free of charge with your TireConnect subscription. And now, without further ado, I'd like to give you a tutorial on how to use our new procurement feature. When you log into your TireConnect dashboard, you can select Procurement from this left-hand side menu, and this will take you into our new procurement page. You can use this drop-down to select which location you'd like to ship tires to. And you can use this PO number field to categorize your tire orders into a specific purchase order number. So just as a test, I'm going to put 123 here, and you'll see where that's going to show up. For looking up tires, we have all of our familiar search methods: quick size, tire size, vehicle, part number, license plate, and VIN. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to go ahead and put in a quick tire size. You can also filter by season, by the minimum available quantity, and which suppliers you'd like to search from. If you'd like all of them, you can leave it on all sources. So I'm going to go ahead and do a search. And as you can see, our search results are populated by the brands that carry that specific tire size. You can use this search bar to filter through any of the content for these headings, whether that be a season or a specific brand. If you're connected to a POS system, the system will show if you have that specific tire on hand. And when you're ready to select a tire, you simply click on it. And this menu shows all the suppliers that carry that specific tire, the cost for that tire, and the available quantity that they carry. When you're ready to place an order, you simply click on it and enter the amount of tires that you'd like to order. When you click on this blue button, it adds it to your cart. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to add another tire to my cart. I'll choose one from Community Tire, add another 4. And when I'm done selecting tires, I can go to View Cart. In my cart, I have 2 items that I selected. As you can see, the PO number that we put up here is now categorized for each of these orders. And each of the required fields for the suppliers are there as well, which you would need to fill out in order to be able to place your order. Once you've filled in the required fields and reviewed your order, you simply click on Place Order to place your order. For the confirmation of placing your order, you can either click this link, or you can go to your reports under Supplier Orders, and you will see that list populated with the most recent orders that have been put through. One last really handy feature that you can use is also if you go to your leads report, you will see the most updated lead. And when you press Acquire Tires, this will automatically search for the exact tire that lead searched for. And the system already shows that to you, and you'll be able to order that tire right then and there and close the sale as efficiently as possible. That's all I had to show you for today. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.